So what do you do when there's a power outage because of a blizzard? You use your Blue Eddy. I have the Charger 1 and the AC240. Let me show you. So there's the AC240 sitting there charging up. Have the Charger 1 right down there. Sorry for the darkness, but we have no power. And how am I using the Charger 1? I have it connected to my Lincoln Navigator. Right there on the battery terminals. So Blue Eddy, thank you for some great products. Oh, you may be wondering, what is my AC240 charging in my house? My refrigerator, so I can keep my food from spoiling. Talk to you later. All right, so I just got done showing you the Charger 1 in my Blue Eddy AC240, and I said it was running my fridge, so I'll go ahead and show you here. So there we are. It's not drawing much wattage right now. Follow the electrical cord, comes on over to the fridge. And there we are. Fridges are running. So again, love my Blue Eddy products. Talk to you later.